Today, we are going to compare the use of the present simple and the present continuous. Study these examples.
We watch TV every day. We are watching an interesting documentary about the pharaohs at the moment.
Peter usually drives to his work. Today, he is walking to his work.
I usually go for a walk on the beach with my dog every weekend. This weekend, I am camping with my family.
Which sentence is in the present simple, and which one is in the present continuous? We watch TV every day. We are watching an interesting documentary about the pharaohs at the moment. Present simple. Present continuous. Remember, expressions used with the present simple are every day, every week, every month, every year, adverbs of frequency. And the expressions used with the present continuous are at the moment, right now, look, listen. Let's practice. Read these sentences and write SP, simple present, or PC, present continuous. Let's correct. Second exercise. Put these verbs in the correct form of the present simple or the present continuous. My father usually cooks dinner.
My friends and I study at the same school.
I am revising for the exam now.
Look, the clown is jumping.
Great work. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.